day 10 of Vlogmas!
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can bet.
Hi guys, good morning, well afternoon, it's lunchtime now. We've just had a really big brunch at home actually, and I'm sorry I keep playing with my hair, and I've just got ready because we're going to go to Greenwich now. Probably going to go around and see all of the Greenwich markets and stuff. Guys, I tried that primer today, this one that I found the other day when I was cleaning, and oh my god, it has made such a difference. Like, my lips were so smooth underneath. Usually because I have quite dry lips, I get like chaps and stuff, and then the lipstick goes inside all of those, and this has literally smoothed it over. I am so impressed. I'm gonna unbox now day 10 because it's day 10 of Vlogmas. So I'm gonna unbox day 10 now. Bare Minerals. What is this? Vital Power. Is this a sample or some foundation? I'm not exactly sure what this is. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over your entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So is it like a serum, I'm assuming? Oh, I didn't even know that they had their own skin line. That's interesting. I've also got 2 suitcases here because I'm not sure which one I'm going to take yet. I think I'm probably going to go for the smaller one because it is a very, very short trip. I'm going on tomorrow. So I'm going Tuesday and I come back Sunday. I'll be back in the UK. So, and they are also going to be providing us with loads of clothes to shoot while we're out there. So I don't even know what I'm really going to pack. So when we come back, I'm going to start packing. But for now, I want to go and see the Christmas market in Greenwich. Oh, tight. Really tight. Oh my god. The struggles of getting ready in the winter. Honestly, I can't breathe right now. So many layers. I'm ready to go now. It's so cold. Oh my god. I've got like 5 layers on and I'm still freezing. We're right next to the river. You probably can't hear me right now. It's very windy. It's splashing around, so to say. Woo. home. Greenwich was an absolute flop, if I'm honest. Last year, I think it was around this time, we went and they had this really nice little, like a market. There was an ice skating rink and they had like loads of Christmas trees and like places to get hot chocolate and like Christmassy drinks. There wasn't anything this year. So we just went to the little market and then we showed the like university to my aunt and uncle and we just walked around. And then we went into Costa and had a coffee. And then we came back, no we didn't. And then we went to Sainsbury's because I wanted to see if I could exchange money. They didn't have any money there for me to exchange. And I thought, okay, fine. And then I called somewhere else, again they didn't have it. So I'm gonna have to wait and see until I get to the airport. Maybe they can exchange it there for me. If not, I'm just gonna have to withdraw crap. I can't say it. Oh my god, I'm just gonna have to withdraw cash while I'm there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm back home now. I really need to pack. I have not packed anything, so I'm gonna start doing that. Mum, how many shoes is too many shoes? How many bags is too many bags? Huh? How many bags is too many bags? You're not helping me. How many shoes? And I'm going to wear trainers. My Alexander.
Getting what? Go to the seat.
We've got 23 kg.
Yeah, come on. So I've kind of packed, I think, anyway. Sunglasses. I didn't pack any sunglasses. What the hell is wrong with me? Let me get them out. So I just popped those in now. I'm just currently doing my, what's it called? Hand luggage bag. I ordered this little thing not last night, the night before, and it arrived today, which I'm really happy about. Let me get it out. One of these little thingies to attach to your phone that then attaches to headphones. Oh, wicked. Okay, I'm gonna download movies now. It didn't work. I'm not happy. Oh, I was so bored on this flight, honestly. There better be a thing that I can plug my phone into because otherwise I'm literally gonna be so bored. Currently just doing my hand luggage bag. My handbag is all packed. I've just got to do my hand luggage, which will have like my laptop and all my electrical bits and stuff that I want easy access to. I need to put some socks in there as well because I love wearing thick socks on the plane. It just keeps me nice and warm. As you guys are watching this, I will be on an 11-hour flight to, do I tell you, Mexico. I'm so excited. I am so excited to go. I've never been to that side of the world. I've been the other side, I've been to South Korea, but I've never gone west. And I'm going to be going to Tulum with Zaffel and we're going to be creating some really cool New Year's Eve, Christmassy type of content out there. But yeah, so while you guys are watching this, I will literally be on a flight to Tulum. I'm flying to Paris and then from there I'm going to go on an 11-hour flight to Tulum. And yeah, so I'm going to be bored out of my head. I'm traveling alone and I don't know anyone else that will be there, so it's gonna be really like, it's really exciting but scary at the same time because obviously I don't know anyone there and I'm traveling all alone, so you know it's hard, but I really do like traveling alone. I've just never traveled this long alone. I mean, the furthest I've traveled was to Cyprus and to Israel, which were both like 4.5 hour flights on my own. This is going to be a very long journey as a solo person, but I've got my headphones and there's going to be in-flight entertainment. I'm going to bring a book, and yeah, I've got like blog posts, I've got stuff to edit while I'm on there as well. So it's going to be very productive, and also I'm just going to take some time to just chill out, literally. Yeah, so tomorrow's vlog is probably going to be very slow, but I'll still vlog as much as I can and maybe do like an hourly update on my flight, tell you guys what I'm up to. What do you guys think about that? So I'm so nervous and so excited. Oh my god. So I just want to finish doing this suitcase here, my hand luggage one, and then I want to have some dinner and then get ready for bed, because I would really like to have an early night tonight. I doubt it, because I never get an early night when I have an early morning flight. I mean, the flight's not early morning, the flight's at 9 o'clock, but I have to leave the house at like 6 AM. So I've got a taxi booked to pick me up, and it's all sorted out on this end. I haven't changed any money though, but hopefully I can do it at the airport. I don't know, should be okay. What do you guys carry on your hand luggage? I'm going to put some face masks in there as well. What else should I do? I'm excited. Are you guys excited to see like my Christmas in Tulum vlogmases? I don't know. All that's left for me now to pack away is my laptop, my chargers, my camera stuff. So the charger for that is I'm going to charge this overnight and then pop that in. And then what else am I going to do? I think that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to have a shower. I'm also actually going to change my bed sheets, because I love coming back to clean bed sheets when I go away. It's like my favourite thing to do. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to have some dinner, and then yeah, get ready for bed, because like I said, I want an early night. Chances are I won't get an early night. I also want to edit this video and pop this video up before tomorrow, so that I can schedule it and have it ready, and so that I don't miss any days. I don't know how it's going to be while I'm out there, but that whole traveling thing is really hard, especially when it's such a long thing. So I want to make sure that I can get this video up. So I am going to end this video really early. I'm so sorry. It is about, what is the time? About 6:20 now, but I'm literally just going to have a shower, get ready for bed, change my bed sheets, and that's it. Go to bed early. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you have, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow on a plane on my way to Tulum. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Oh, oh, oh.